I've got orders to ship out today, but I work a 9 to 5, so spend a lunch hour with me getting my shipping done. If you're new here, I took a job last fall as a full-time fashion accessory designer, which is the career that I was in before I went to full-time reselling for a couple of years. And even though I never saw myself going back to a 9 to 5, here I am. But I am still reselling. It's 1:22. We've got 1 hour to be back. Now, I don't ship every week. I only ship during my lunch hour when I have more than 3 packages to drop off, and my partner can't ship for me.
So I've made it to the post office, but there are 2 15-minute temporary parking spots right in front, just the way this particular post office is situated, so that people can kind of like park, get in and get out and leave. And I'm just literally here waiting to see if someone who has this parking spot will come out and get the F out of here so I can use it. Okay, someone just came out. Yes. Oh fuck, somebody was in that car. Oh my god, 1:38. Finally got a parking spot. About to grab these packages and head inside. All right, that literally took like 1 minute because everything I had was prepaid. Normally I would go get something to eat at one of the little shops around here, but I'm actually on a fast today. Something new I've been try to stay healthy. During my like good 2 weeks of my cycle every month, I try to pick a day and do a 24-hour fast. And it's not as bad as you'd think, actually. Like, you do feel hungry at times, but it's not the end of the world. And I'm still drinking plenty of like water and unsweetened teas, stevia sweetened teas. Anything that's 0 calorie is okay to drink. And I just find that it just like kind of resets everything. It cleans out my system. It gives my organs a chance to rest, and I've been liking it so far. So that is one of the reasons why today was a perfect day to come and ship during my lunch break, because I don't have to worry about getting back and having at least like 15 minutes to eat my lunch. I'm gonna head back now, and if I have any leftover time, I will probably sit and edit this video, since I left my book at my desk. 1:55, we're back at the office building. I might just chill in the car for a little bit. I have about 15 minutes before I'm due back at my desk. Overall, I made great time, even though I got stuck behind someone on a moped. Now it's time for me to relax for a few minutes before I head back in, so I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Thanks for watching, and happy thrifting.